Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a teacup character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to start with a spoon shape. We're going to come up straight like this. Another one on this side up like this. And then 3 round lumps like that for the end of the spoon. And then we're going to do a line like this for having the spoon in the water. Next, we're going to do a round oval all the way around like that and close it off. Perfect. Let's come back behind the spoon again and draw a line to indicate that liquid inside the cup. Perfect. Then we'll do just a couple more lines inside like that. Next, let's come to the body of the cup and we'll curve in and down. We'll stop right there and we'll do the same thing on this side. Curve down in and stop right there. We'll make a little base to our cup and then add a little handle here on the side. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, now that we have the teacup shape of our character, let's give it a face. We'll add 2 big eyes right here, some lines underneath the eyes, 2 pupils on the side, 2 eyebrows, a big smile with some rounded teeth. Oh, let's add a string right here hanging down for the tea bag. Just like that. Perfect. Then let's give our character some arms. 1 here, 1 here, and then a couple legs. 1 right there, and there. Add some shadows. Then just a few details around. On the handle. And there we have a teacup character. Yeah! You did a really good job following along with me today. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!